Hello, guys and girls. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. Today I'll just be giving a brief breakdown of the markets. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe. Subscribe right now. Just click the subscribe button. Just smash it right now, and let's move on. I'll just be talking about how you can just analyze a simplistic way or a simplistic approach on how you can just analyze the market using a pattern trading way. So this is DXY. I'm just going to go through the pairs I have for next week. So um there are some pairs that I have that I've already marked with this red ribbon here. I've marked them with red ribbon. So I'll be focusing on this three pair: US 30, AUD USD, and ZJPY. So although I have other pairs like UPJPY, but I'm still looking. I'm still watching on how it would unfold. So that's not really giving me my ideal style of entry according to my plan. So let's move to the DXY first. Let us talk about the DXY. Okay, this is the DXY. This is the DXY from the daily point of view, and you can see this this pattern here has actually completed the first touch here, the second touch here, and you can see there is an obvious gap here that it needs to fill, or it needs to fill this gap here, and this is actually at the daily. So in the long term, we might be noticing, or we might be looking forward to the bullish trend. And also another confluence is this. Another confluence is this impulse here, and the type of you know continuation pattern here. So, and this is actually for the higher time frame. So let us go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame here. So this is okay. This is the 4 hour. This is the 4 hour. So it actually broke this low, and this is where it actually made this turning point after it has formed into, like, after it has made the its three touch here. You can see it that it has made the three touch here. So now we'll be looking for something like a continuation for the buy to fill up this area here, you know. So that just is for GXY. So let me go to the main one I have here. This is US 30. So you can see how it is on the higher time frame. You can see how it is on the higher time frame. When the market got to this area here, this point here, it actually made this area of value. It actually made a very, very strong reversal to the downside. It really changed its trend to the downside, and you can see since the past few days it has been pushing with you know a very, very huge bearish candles. You can see these are the daily candle. It has been pushing with a very, very strong bearish candles. So let us go to the 4 hour. There's nothing much to look at the 4 hour here. There's nothing much except to go into the lower or the lowest time frame. That is where my ideal entry setup is. So this is what I have on US 30. If you watch the way the market is moving, it has been moving in a form of continuation trend, continuation pattern. You can see, although the price action is kind of wicky and kind of spiky. So it has been creating a lot of wicks, a lot of wick. at the candle. So, but if you see the trend, if you see the pattern, you will notice that it has been creating something like a continuation pattern. You can see here, and also this area also, you can see just like similar what's wrong, similar type of continuation pattern. And so that was why I actually opted to take my trade this way. So I'm looking forward to the third touch here. After it has made its first touch, second touch, and the third touch, I'm hoping to have the third touch here for me to take my entry to the downside. So the next one I have is AUD USD. That's the next one I have here. So I'll just go to the 4 hour. I'll not really want to waste too much time. You can see here how the price action is very, very clean. It broke this it broke this area here, and it did as if it wants to continue buying to the upside here, but now it's changed the trend and changed the trend and continue moving to the downside. So change to an opposite trend, and as well you can see here, you can see this kind of pattern. Look at something here. So something like, you know that's an head and shoulder pattern here, and can vividly see it on the 4 hour. So you can see this in the past days. It has been trending to the downside. We have been seeing a lot of strong impulses on strong bearish impulses on AUD USD, and I feel it's still going to continue with this trend. So I made uh I made an analysis on this one. Made an analysis on this one, and this is actually what I'm taking. Actually, what I'll be looking forward to wait for the third touch here. One, two, and three. You can see it is trying to make something like this. Then that's what I'll be looking forward to for next week. So we do have to wait until it's the trade materializes. And I'll be setting my pips maybe like 10 pips stop around this area. I'm taking my trade maybe around 10 pips stop around this area. Then you know I'll ride it down to the I'll ride it to the downside. So the last one I have here on my list is NZUSD. Let me start from the higher time frame. You can see NZUSD has actually been trending. The overall trend is actually an uptrend here. The overall trend here actually trend to the upside until it got to this area of value here. So now, and the initial pattern spotted here is an ascending channel and also has an extension to it in the lower time frame. Let's look at the 1 hour first. You can see the 1 hour is looking so solid here, so solid. So what I'm actually going to be looking out to is a confirmation for it to it might just get to this area, just give us the third touch here, break this eye, or it might turn up, might give it give a turn around this area, around this point, or might just we might just opt for the third touch around this area, then continue its trend. So what would be my ideal setup? What would be my ideal entry if I want to take this trade, let's go to the 5 15 minutes for us. So yeah, this is the 15 minutes time frame. And so what would be my ideal entry here, or what would I see and I would take this trade? What would make me take this trade? What would be my confidence factor for me to take this trade? So one is I'm not going to take this trade or snipe the entry because now it's actually in a critical position. So I would wait for something like this to happen, something of this nature, you know, something like this to happen. Then wait for the first correction, the first possible correction. That is when take my I will take my trade. That is when I will take my trade for the sell. That's when I will take my trade for the sell. So that is all for today's trade. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Please do well to subscribe for this to this channel. And also you can join my Telegram channel. You can join my Telegram channel for more updates. And if you want to be mentored, you can also DM me. My link would be at the description below. Thank you for watching.